Each system has a different set of requirements that it needs to meet. So, based on the needs, one database solution which fits a system may or may not fit another system. So, it's important to take the DB parameters into account and evaluate them against your system. In most of the cases, you will need to choose between relational and NoSQL DBs. So, based on the previous sections, we'll try to summarize a bit here which database should be preferred in which scenarios. You may want to prefer SQL if you need structured data where each column is designed for a specific use case. On the other hand, if the system requires a bit more flexible data, then NoSQL may be a better fit. SQL suits well for data with strict schema like data types or size, while NoSQL provides high flexibility here. You may prefer SQL when various entities are related to each other and each entity needs to be stored separately. Suppose in a student management system, one entity is class and second is the students inside a class. NoSQL though is used for unrelated data. If you want some joins in different NoSQL documents, you may need to handle them inside your application. SQL is usually used for highly consistent systems where availability can be compromised. NoSQL, however, is preferred for highly available systems where consistency can take a hit and system relies on eventual consistency instead. Performance-wise, SQL's throughput is much lower than NoSQL's. However, SQL's performance is often leveraged with very fast indexing. NoSQL DBs do support indexing as well, but SQL lookups are more efficient. So there are plenty more factors you can take into account, but these few are usually good enough from an interview perspective. If you'd like to read about more factors, you would find some resources I've attached in the resource section.